नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं जय मुखी। डिजिटल जनरेशन चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। मेरा ये टॉक शो जो कि लाइव चैट विद जय, इसमें आज हमने एक बहुत ही अच्छी एलसी मेंबर को बुलाया है जिनका नाम मरीना फेविट है, जो साउथ अफ्रीका से हैं। वो बहुत ही अच्छा जानती है ऑन पैसिव के बारे में और बहुत दिन से जुड़ी हुई है, तो काफी सारा इंफॉर्मेशन आप लोग को मिलेगा। तो मैं अभी उन्हीं को वेलकम करता हूँ इस चैनल में, इस टॉक शो में। ठीक है। बीच बीच में मैं आपको हिंदी में उनके आंसर सब बताऊंगा, क्योंकि उनको हिंदी आती नहीं है। तो मैं हिंदी इंग्लिश में उनसे पूरा चीज पूछूंगा, फिर आप लोग के लिए एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा हिंदी में, जिनको हिंदी पसंद है ज्यादा। ठीक है। तो मैं शुरुआत करता हूँ। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, we are very glad to hear you that you have spent given us such a good times to for this show live chat with Jay. I welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you, Jay. It's lovely being here. Hello, India. Hello, world. I really love the Indian founders. They are doing a phenomenal job in introducing this business to so many people, and it's going to change so many people's lives. I'm really, really proud of you.
Yeah. In India, we eat like this. Namaskar. Namaskar. Okay. You will used to know, like as the operation office in Hyderabad. When you come to India, you will learn a little bit of Hindi.
Yes, no, I can't wait. I can't wait. It's exciting.
Yeah. Ma'am, we would like to know, but tell me about something about yourself.
Okay. Well, I just had my birthday a week before our CEO, Ash Mafara, on the 7th of September. His birthday was yesterday on the 14th. I'm 53 years old. I've got 3 children, 2 girls, 1 boy. Only my baby is married. She's 24. My son is 25, and my oldest daughter's 34. The 2 younger ones live here in Johannesburg, South Africa, and my oldest daughter lives at the coast in Cape Town, South Africa. And I'm living with my boyfriend of 4 years. And I've started painting, as you can see. I've got a playlist on my YouTube channel as well that I show my hobby. And I love playing golf as well. So we're going to start playing golf now that it's warmer here, because we're in spring in South Africa. And other than that, I just live for on passive if I'm not doing any of the other things.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. एक्चुअली मैम ने बहुत ही अपना पर्सनल डिटेल बताया कि वो उनके 3 बच्चे हैं, जिसमें से एक लड़का है, 2 लड़की हैं। एक लड़की का उनका शादी हो गया है। और बहुत ही शॉर्ट में मैं बता रहा हूँ, मैम का केप टाउन और आपका जोहान्सबर्ग में उनके बच्चे सब रहते हैं। और मैम को बहुत ज़्यादा पेंटिंग पसंद है। उनके पीछे आप देख रहे हैं, बहुत सुंदर पेंटिंग है। यस, वी आर लविंग दैट। इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल पेंटिंग. It's great. You have a very good think that you have passion, I think, for the painting. Okay. I just want to know what impressed you about On Passive, and why you have joined On Passive.
Initially, when I got invited to look at the opportunity, it was because everything was done for you, and we only had to pay one-time subscription. So I had another business that I was involved with, and I thought, well, that's fantastic, because I'm not a marketer. I like to, I'm lazy. Even if I did do the things, I didn't know how to. I didn't understand advertising and the algorithm. So I thought, if you're not sure, outsource it. I'm a big believer in outsourcing what you don't understand. Get the professionals to do it for you. So that was a very big thing for me. And then the fact that we only had to pay one-time subscription going forward was incredible. Plus the fact that we can earn residual income it was just this full package. That's what got me attracted to On Passive initially, and why I signed up.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. One most important thing I really get to forget. You are looking very beautiful and gorgeous today. Thank you.
Thank you.
I back come to actually this is a talk show. That's why I used to ask from so many questions regarding the on passive, and as I always see that you always present in different type of Q&A and all the webinars. So that's why people of India used to know that more from you about on passive. Just one, just curiosity. That's tell me something about Ash Mufareh sir, the CEO of OnePassive. What impressed actually most of the people?
No, when I first heard Ash Mufareh speaking, he's got such a calming voice, and he doesn't speak about himself. He's always wanting to know about everybody else. And he's just very different to anyone that I've ever met before. He's got a very kind heart, very giving. He's very generous. And, you know, he has got that heart for humanity. And the fact that he is having sleepless nights, putting, you know, himself out there. He said, do it or die. It's a done deal. He said if he has to sell a kidney, he would to get it done. There's nothing that will stop him from doing this for us as founders to change our lives. And that to me, he's just wonderful. You know, he really is a godsend. I do believe that God sent him to help the masses around the world.
Yeah, definitely. दोस्तों मैम ने जो आंसर दिया बहुत ही जबरदस्त, हम लोगों को सभी को एक्साइट कर देता है कि एस सर के बारे में मैम बोले कि हमने जब पहला बार सुना है एस सर को, तो वो बहुत ही मतलब बहुत जेंटलमैन और बहुत ज्यादा हम्बल नेचर के हैं, और उनने जो अपना पूरा बिजनेस सबके साथ शेयर किया, मतलब इवन मैम ने बोला कि अपना किडनी भी अगर होगा तो किडनी भी दान कर, मतलब बहुत बड़ा चीज है कि वो इतना मतलब ये सोच रहे हैं दुनिया के लिए, पूरा हेल्पिंग करना चाहते हैं, प्रॉपर्टी को लिमिट हटाना चाहते हैं। और लास्ट में मैम ने बहुत अच्छा जो सेंटेंस बोला वो बता दे रहा हूँ कि भगवान का दिया हुआ भेजा हुआ कोई फरिश्ता है जो एस सर है हम लोग के साथ, CEO ऑफ OnePassive। तो इतना बड़ा चीज आप सोच सकते हो, सेंट बाय द गॉड मीन्स द कोई फरिश्ता है वो पूरे दुनिया के लिए। यस डेफिनेटली मैम, आई टोटली एग्री विथ यू that he is something think like something else, as not common people will think like that he has share all those whole business among us throughout the world. That's why he called me having a very big heart, that he want to do work for the humanity. I have heard many webinars where Mr. S sir is telling that if I have to work for my family, then no problem at all, I will definitely do that. But when I see that the whole world is in this one sort of problem, so I just make a plan regarding that. How can I help all those people throughout the world? That is the
one thing that I've noticed with OnePassive, and it's because of our CEO, is that it's the only company that has managed to attract everyone around the world. And we don't have culture differences. There's no religion problem. There's no politics. We're all just, you know, excited about this journey that we're on. We're making friends around the world. And it's all thanks to our CEO, Ash Mufareh, because he is the one that's done this. You know, we all originally, when we first came in, I think all of us came in for the money, you know, because we knew we were going to make a lot of money. But now our minds have changed, and now we're looking, how can we help? Because that's how he's grooming us and he's molding us to be prepared for what's to come. And, you know, we are now beating with the same heartbeat as Ash Mufareh, where he wants to go and, you know, help those in need. And he needs us as founders to do that. But we never all came in like that. We came in, we were on the journey, and we changed, just like he's changed as a leader, as a CEO. He's evolved. We've evolved as founders. We're gaining confidence. We know that we are going to win and succeed, and that we are going to be able to help so many people. But that was not the plan in the beginning. We just wanted the money. Now it's changed.
Absolutely. Everyone has come for the money, actually. Initially, everyone was thinking that this is unlimited residual income. mainly maximum, I think 100% you can say. But again, when we came here and see the environment, see the webinar, see the thinking of all the people throughout the world, means all the founders throughout the world, then definitely we have right now we have changed our mindset, and we are right now working or thinking about the humanity, because money will be the secondary right now. The primary thing is the work for the mankind actually. So
Well,
let me explain.
the money is still the first thing, because without the money, we wouldn't be able to do that. But now that's not top of mind. The money is a done deal. Now it's what are we going to do going forward? And it's very exciting. There's so many people that need help. You know, if you just look at your neighbors, look around you, look in your house, you know, they're just your family. And then you start working out, you know, towards your community and that. So I can see India, wow, with so many founders in India, India is going to be a force to be reckoned with. It's going to be a country that people want to live in. They're going to want to buy property, and the economy is just going to explode because of the amount of founders that OnPassive has in India. So it's going to be a wonderful country. It is a wonderful country, but it's going to be a country that people are actually going to want to invest in, because it's going to explode. I can see it already. Yeah.
Yeah. I will explain this thing to the people who don't understand English. मैम ने बहुत अच्छा चीज बोला कि OnPassive पे जो फाउंडर हैं वो तो सबसे पहले जो भी आते हैं यहाँ पे पैसा ही इम्पोर्टेंट है, पैसा ही सोच के आते हैं. यस डेफिनेटली हम पैसे ही सोच के आते हैं यहाँ पे. बट उसके बाद जब हम लोग यहाँ पे देखते हैं, जब एक लाइक माइंडेड पीपल का काम होता है, तब देखते हैं यहाँ पे पैसा तो या सेकेंडरी, हम लोग को समाज के लिए कुछ करना है, सोसाइटी के लिए कुछ करना है, जहाँ पे कुछ गरीबी है उनको हटाना है. तो ये सारी चीजें यहाँ पे आ रही है. क्यों आ रही है? क्योंकि यहाँ पे अनलिमिटेड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव इनकम होने वाली है. ठीक है. और उसके बाद मैम ने जो चीज बोला वो बहुत ही क्लियर बोला कि अगर भारत के इतने ज्यादा फाउंडर है यहाँ पे, इंडिया के इतने ज्यादा फाउंडर है, तो डेफिनेटली इंडिया की जो इकोनॉमी अभी अच्छी है उसके बावजूद भी और भी अच्छी हो जाएगी, क्योंकि मैक्सिमम पर्सन यहीं से गेन करेंगे. और यहाँ पे जो भी आपका पॉवर्टी है सब दूर हो सकता है बहुत आसानी से. और ये भी हमेशा यही चीज बोला जा रहा है कि कम से कम यहाँ पे हमारा ऑफिस है, सब कुछ यहाँ पे, तो मैक्सिमम फाउंडर यहाँ से होने चाहिए. और वो देखिए वो चीज दिख रहा है, बड़े बड़े लीडर्स सब, मेंबर्स सब, ये सब चीज बोल रहे हैं. और देखिए मैम को कितना ज्यादा हमारे से ज्यादा लगाव है. पीछे देखिए भारत का झंडा, तिरंगा झंडा मैम ने तुरंत लगा दिया. तो आप समझ सकते हैं. देखिए हम लोग यहाँ पे कोई भी एक बहुत बड़ी थिंकिंग है सभी की, जो भी फाउंडर बने हैं एक अलग सोच आ गई है, विजन देख रहे हैं आज हमारा सर करना. दैट्स वाई हम लोग अभी एक प्लेटफॉर्म में है. मैम को मैंने मुश्किल से 2 दिन चैट किया था कि मैम मेरे को ऐसा है कि टॉक शॉट में आपको आना है, तो मैम ने तुरंत बोला सी और क्यों नहीं, डेफिनेटली आई विल कम. तो ये सारा एक माहौल एक लाइक माइंडेड पीपल का हो रहा है. तो इसीलिए मैं बोलता हूँ दोस्तों, जो भी चीज यहाँ पे हो रही है बहुत बड़ा हो रहा है. जस्ट पेशेंस रखिए. यस डेफिनेटली वी विल विन. मैम ने जैसा कि बोला, यहाँ जो भी आ रहे हैं सब जीतेंगे. और हमारा मोटो ये रहता है कि कोई भी यहाँ पे आए, हम मेरे थ्रू आए या मैम के थ्रू आए या कोई भी फाउंडर के थ्रू आए, वो आदमी यहाँ सक्सेसफुल होना 100%. ठीक है. बस खाली थोड़ा दिन वेट करना है, क्योंकि अभी बहुत क्लोज है हम लोग सारे चीज के लिए. एवरीथिंग इज रेडी, जस्ट वेरी क्लोज, जस्ट हैव पेशेंस, दैट्स इट. ओके, थैंक यू मैम अगेन. Just I want to know something about which product actually, your point of view, is the best, or you can say more than one also, no problem.
Okay. I was going to say, I think I've got more than one, but top of mind, I can't wait for OConnect, so that we don't have to struggle with Zoom, because it's with OConnect or OnPassive's products, all our digital products are driven by artificial intelligence. So we're going to be a first to market with that type of webinar platform. And you can have unlimited hosts, unlimited attendees. If I want to share my screen now, you don't have to first make me you can set me up from the get-go and not just have one host. You can have many hosts that's going to be able to share the screen. And obviously the quality is going to be fantastic. You can do the doodle whiteboard. So that's the webinar platform. OConnect is one of my favorite. Ocademy. I think, there's so many game changers. Academy is definitely going to be a game changer because you look at how many people, especially with COVID now, with the pandemic that we've all experienced worldwide, and people are scared. They don't want to be socializing and keeping distance until we know what's going on for sure. I think the Academy it's going to be fantastic. We are going to be able to up the game of the quality of education that we are giving our children that's available to us. I think as well that because of Academy, a lot of us, even as founders, would start learning more because it empowers you. It makes you want to do more. And I know the Indians love studying. They love studying. So I think that you guys are also looking forward to OConnect. But the nice thing is you don't have to worry, I never got into this university. I wanted to go there. I never got admitted. Now you can have the best tutors from all over the world giving you their courses on OConnect, and it's going to be fantastic. And not only that, if you are good at something that before you're just good at something, but nobody knew about it. Now with OConnect, it can take you out of your comfort zone where you can start giving courses. It could be a cooking course. It could be painting, for example, like I do. It could be golf lessons. It could anything. You can do everything on OConnect. You can start earning, because a lot of people, even though we're going to be earning this abundance, this excess, there's only so much you can do. And we need to keep our minds occupied. So we're not going to just sit around and go on holiday all the time. We're going to need to do things with our life, So we will get involved in more projects, more charities, more hands-on, and obviously study more. And I'm sure we're going to be overwhelmed with all the different types of courses that was never really available before, will now be available with getting confused, Academy. So,
yes, yes.
Yeah, Academy. And, that's, well, those two, and then everything really. ONET, it's going to be a safe environment. We've got Facebook, that's all we really have. So we just accept it. And every time you go on Facebook, there's a new rule, and you're not allowed to post this, and you're not allowed to talk about that. And it's just irritating. And you get scammed. And, because so many people can open so many different accounts with Facebook. Now with OnPassive, it's going to be secure because everyone who has an ONET account will be verified through OnPassive, So it's going to keep out the riffraff, the people that are just there to steal your money and to try and con you. Obviously, it's not going to be foolproof because, I'm sure there'll even be customers in OnPassive that will try and take your money from you. But it definitely would definitely help make us feel a lot safer to share our photographs in a safe environment, know that our information is secure, it's never going to get sold, for marketing, and then it's fantastic. Ashnafara has thought about everything. Whatever we thought it was, it's bigger. Whatever we think it's going to be bigger than that. So it just gets bigger and bigger and bigger.
Yeah, like what you are right now imagining, it's bigger than that, our imagination.
Yeah, well, like I said, sorry, you carry on. I'll the translation. I'll get back to my point.
Yeah. I just actually summarize the thing. ना मैम का सबसे फेवरेट जो था वो है वो कनेक्ट एंड आपका वो एकेडमी और वो नेट, ये तीन प्रोडक्ट मैम के बहुत ज्यादा फेवरेट थे. वो कनेक्ट से आप समझ सकते हैं जैसे अभी लैंग्वेज बैरियर हो रहा है, मेरे को हिंदी में आपको बताना पड़ रहा है. अगर आपके पास वो कनेक्ट रहता तो रियल टाइम में आप लैंग्वेज चेंज हो जाता. दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ वो कनेक्ट. एट द सेम टाइम जो है बहुत सारा और भी इसमें फीचर्स हैं जो कि बहुत जूम से बहुत अलग बनाता है, गूगल मीट से बहुत अच्छा बनाता है. एक तो आपको बहुत चीप रेट में मिलेगा, सिक्योर रहेगा आपका डेटा भी कहीं भी मिसप्लेस नहीं, और हाई क्वालिटी आप स्क्रीन शेयर भी कर सकते हैं, वीडियो भी शेयर कर सकते हैं. तो बहुत सारा प्रॉपर्टीज फीचर्स हैं. और उसके बाद सेकेंड बताया गया ओ एकेडमी। वो एकेडमी जो है कि आप जैसे कि मैम ने बताया कि इंडियन मतलब जो भारतीय वर्ष में आदमी लोग हैं सब बहुत पढ़ना चाहते हैं, सीखना चाहते हैं, लर्निंग करना चाहते हैं। एज एवरीवन नोज नॉलेज इज पावर। तो यस, इंडियन ये चीज चाहते हैं। तो डेफिनेटली वो एकेडमी में, लाइक आपने बोल रही है कि बहुत अच्छे अच्छे यूनिवर्सिटी में आपके एडमिशन नहीं हुए तो आप बहुत प्रॉब्लम में आ जाएंगे, सोचते हैं अरे भाई वहां पे एडमिशन नहीं हुआ, वहां पे एडमिशन नहीं हुआ। तो कोई चिंता की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि वो एकेडमी में आपको वर्ल्ड के बेस्ट टीचर्स अवेलेबल रहेंगे और आपको अपना कोर्सेज कंप्लीट कराएंगे। और यहाँ पे कोर्स की कोई वेराइटी नहीं है, जैसे कि मैम ने बोला किसी को पेंटिंग करना है, किसी को कुकिंग को क्लासेस करना है, तो एवरीथिंग यहाँ पे हो सकता है। और भी जो हम लोग आउट ऑफ द हम लोग अभी बॉक्स भी सोच सकते हैं, वो भी अगर यहाँ पे कोर्स लाया जाए तो वो भी चीज यहाँ पे किया जा सकता है बहुत सिक्योर वे में। और वो नेट के बारे में जैसे बताया कि अभी राइट ना हो रहा, फेसबुक में एक आदमी मल्टीपल अकाउंट खोल सकता है, तो चीटिंग और फ्रॉड ये सब चीज बहुत ज्यादा होती है। और मतलब एक तो पर्सन जो आपका डेटा है वो भी लोग ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं, उसकी भी लीकेज होने लगती है। बट आप जब वो नेट यूज करोगे तो ये सारा नहीं होगा, क्योंकि वो नेट में एक एक अकाउंट वेरीफाई होगा, ऑन पैसिव के द्वारा वेरीफाई होंगे, तो कोई इस तरह की फ्रॉड वाला काम नहीं होगा, आपके पर्सनल डेटा नहीं सेल होंगे। तो इसीलिए ये जो प्रोडक्ट है ऑन पैसिव के डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट, दे आर ब्रांड न्यू, पेटेंट एंड ड्रिवन बाय आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एंड मशीन लर्निंग। ओके,
Jay?
बहुत अच्छा ये सारे प्रोडक्ट के बारे में मैडम ने बताया। एक्चुअली वन फोन कॉल वाज देयर। तो बहुत सारे चीजें के बारे में बताया, बहुत अच्छा से बताया चीजों को। आप सोच सकती हैं इतने बड़े एलसी रीडर के लिए भी मनपसंद सब है, पर एट द सेम टाइम क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे कि ये जो अनलिमिटेड का भावना, जैसे मैम ने बोला यहाँ पे जितने भी चीजें हैं अनलिमिटेड मिलेगा। जैसे कि यहाँ पे बोला भी जाता है, बहुत सारे फाउंडर भी बोलते हैं, या एस मुफर्रत सर का भी बहुत सारा कहना है, हम लोग देख भी रहे हैं। आप जो इमेजिन कर रहे हो ना, बियॉन्ड योर इमेजिनेशन, ये यहाँ पे है, इतना ह्यूज है, इतना बड़ा है ऑन पैसे। तो सोचिए, चीजों को समझिए कि रियली इतना बड़ा है, इसके आप फाउंडर है तो आपको बहुत सारे जबरदस्त आपके आने वाले दिनों में एकदम आपकी लाइफ चेंज हो जाएगी। ठीक है, तो मैम से मैं और एक क्वेश्चन पूछने जा रहा हूँ इसी घड़ी में। मैम, एवरीवन लाइक a statement is always come like on passive is not an MLM. Would you like to share something about this point? On passive is not an MLM.
Yeah, OnPassive is a global IT company. The license that we have, and there's a few actually, but the main license that OnPassive has gives us the right to operate in almost 200 countries where we can resell products and set up offices. And it's a true global company, okay? And we have brick and mortar offices in Florida, in Hyderabad. A lot of the leaders went to, and a lot of the Indian founders are just going there and taking photographs with their families, taking video footage. It's amazing. And we've got, I don't even know how many staff because we're hiring all the time, but we've got a huge staff force as well. Plus, we're opening businesses everywhere. We, busy negotiating. I know that Singapore's on the cards, Dubai, Canada, Morocco, little offices. And then over and above that, we're going to have 1,000 satellite branches for all the leaders in different countries. There'll be a maximum of 10 per country. So a founder like yourself or myself could have our own office where OnPassive will help towards that, the running expenses, because you've worked this business as your own and you've really taken a keen interest in it. So there's that opportunity as well. And then also people from whatever area can just go and visit someone and put a face to, meet someone within the organization. So OnPassive, it just makes me mad when people think we are an MLM or network marketing company. And the reason people think that is because of our pay structure. Our CEO has come from that background. He understands online business. He's always been an affiliate marketer. And thank goodness that he was good at it, because he understood how the algorithms work and how to drive traffic to get views onto your website and to get the sales. He knew how to do all that, but he realized that he couldn't the next person, he couldn't do the same thing because he didn't have the same knowledge and the same skills. That's why he's doing it all for us. And the difference between OnPassive and every other company out there is that our CEO has decided to share the wealth with us. Even the pay plan has never been done before. The pay plan is getting patented. That's why we haven't physically seen exactly what it is, but whatever we thought it was, it's much bigger than that, you know. So our financial futures are secure with earning residual income. It's transferable, it's willable. So you know, and God says, you know, that a good man leaves an inheritance to his children's children. So I just, you know, that's why I say it's a godsend. Ashmafara and OnPassive is a godsend because it is going to put the average person or people below average, is a lot of people, you know, poor, poverty, middle class, where they are going to now be able to be that person that changes their family tree and turns poverty into prosperity forever for generations to come because of OnPassive. And it's you, that person that got a position as a founder with OnPassive. So yeah, it cannot be an MLM or network marketing. Network marketing, are we networking? Yes, we're sharing the opportunity, but the joy is you don't have to share the opportunity if you don't want to. You are forced to succeed. The only reason that we do, and we're telling so many people about it, is we want you who's watching this and your family and your friends to say, hey, I also want in. I also want this for myself. So yeah, that's the only reason we share, because OnPassive is not advertised. You know, we are doing it as the founders. We are spreading the word and the good news. It's not OnPassive, but when OnPassive does launch and they start advertising in their semi-launch and in the official global launch, oh my gosh, the world is going to shake. Yeah, thank you.
मैम ने बहुत ही अच्छे से, बहुत ही खूबसूरत से चीजों को समझाया है। दोस्तों, OnPassive इज नॉट MLM, कोई MLM कंपनी नहीं है, इसीलिए क्योंकि इसके जो पे प्लान है जो अभी आपको बताया नहीं गया, क्योंकि प्रॉपर्टी आइटम है, आपको बाद में डिस्क्लोज किया जाएगा, अभी डिस्क्लोज नहीं किया जाएगा। और यहाँ पे हर कोई विनर है, जबकि MLM कंपनी में हर स्टेज बना रहता है, स्टेज बाय स्टेज उनको कमीशन जाती है, और जो सबसे ऊपर रहता है टॉप, वही बहुत ज्यादा इनकम करता है। जो रियली जो न्यू आया है या नए हैं या बॉटम लाइन में जो है, उनकी इनकम नहीं होती है। बट यहाँ पे क्या है, 2 साल 2018 का फाउंडर भी अच्छा खासा इनकम करेगा, रेसिडुअल इनकम। अभी राइट नाउ अगर आज की डेट में भी कोई फाउंडर अगर ज्वाइन करता है, उसकी भी अनलिमिटेड रेसिडुअल इनकम होगी। तो समझिए वैरायटी देखिए यहाँ पे पहले ज्वाइन किया, बाद में ज्वाइन किया, लगभग मोर और लेस लगभग सेम आने वाला है जो आपके इनकम है, पहला चीज। दूसरा, एस मुफर्रज सर का जो है ऑनलाइन में बहुत जबरदस्त उनके पास नॉलेज है, जिस वजह से वो क्या कर रहे हैं कि जो वेल्थ है उसको वो चाहे थे कि इस तरह का फॉर्मूला डेवलप किए कि सभी को अच्छा सा डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाए और बहुत ह्यूज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाए। अभी आज की डेट में हम लोग जो सोच रहे हैं कि यार इतना हमको मिलना चाहिए, पर एज सर जो है इससे भी ज्यादा देने को तैयार है। जैसे कि मैम ने बोला, आपका माइंड जो है ब्लोन कर जाएगा, वो एक्सप्लोड कर जाएगा एक्चुअली, इतना ज्यादा आपके पास वेल्थ आने वाली है। तो इसीलिए बहुत सारा मैटर करता है। ये प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनी है, एक डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट का जो इसमें सेलिंग होने वाली है। तो यस, डेफिनेटली जो OnPassive है वो कुछ अलग है कंपेयर टू दिस MLM और जो भी कंपनी के साथ आप कंपेयर करना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई भी तरह का आपका स्टेज बाय इनको ये नहीं है, और रिक्रूटमेंट करना मस्ट नहीं है। सब चीजें जो है, कस्टमर के साथ डील करना, सेलिंग, फॉलो अप विद द कस्टमर, सब AI करने वाली है। और MLM में क्या करता है, एक आदमी जाता है, मैन यूज टू गो फॉर कन्विंसिंग द पीपल। यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। यहाँ पे आपका प्रोडक्ट देख के ऑलरेडी जो है टारगेटेड ट्रैफिक, ऑलरेडी AI आपको यहाँ पे ले आएगी। यही कारण है कि OnPassive कुछ अलग है। OnPassive का एक्रोनिम भी आपको पता है, कैटमो है, टोटली अलग चीज है कंपेयर टू MLM। MLM में ऐसा कोई कैटमो फॉलो अप नहीं होता है। तो चीजों को समझिए, बहुत अलग है OnPassive। तो कमिंग डेज में आपको इसका पोटेंशियल दिखेगा, क्योंकि इसमें हर फाउंडर, जो भी मैम ने बोला, एक एक फाउंडर विनर होगा, एक एक फाउंडर, कोई भी यहाँ पे छूट नहीं जाएगा। एज सर एक सिंगल फाउंडर को छोड़ेंगे नहीं, सबको लेके चलेंगे, गैदर टुगेदर होके आगे बढ़ेंगे हम लोग एक साथ गैदर करके। मैं बीच में इंग्लिश का वर्ड इसीलिए बोल रहा हूँ कि मैम को भी चीजें समझ में आ रही है थोड़ी बहुत हिंदी, इतने इतने फाउंडर के साथ रहते रहते उनको भी थोड़ा बहुत हिंदी का आ गया होगा। ठीक है, तो यही सारा चीज बताया मैम ने, तो हम लोग को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। मैं और भी उनसे 2-3 क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा। ठीक है, तो एक और क्वेश्चन है, मैं अभी पूछता हूं मैडम से। मैम एनी दोस्तों बहुत ही बड़ा चीज मिलने वाला है, बहुत ही जल्दी हम लोग को सॉफ्ट लॉन्च और फिर हार्ड लॉन्च के लिए कंपनी जाएगी। बट सबसे बड़ा चीज यहाँ पे एक चीज है कि आप लोगों को समझना पड़ेगा, जैसे कि मैरिया मैम ने बोला कि यहाँ पे जो चीज है कि ऑन पैसिव जो एस मुफर्रत सर ने बहुत बार बोला है कि ये कंपनी जितना वैल्यू देगी दुनिया में कोई कंपनी इतना वैल्यू नहीं देगी, और मैक्सिमम जो भी यहाँ पे आप इनकम करेंगे रेसिडुअल इनकम आएगी, और जो कंपनी का पूरा हेड में भी आएगा तब भी सब पे शेयरिंग होगा। और अगर इसके बावजूद भी आपको चीजें समझ में नहीं आ रही है, जैसे कि जूली मैडम ने जूली मालियो शो में बोला गया था, मैम ने बोला था गिफ्ट है। आप इसको सोचिए, गिफ्ट है ये, $97 का बिजनेस नहीं है, क्योंकि इतने पैसे में तो कुछ नहीं होता है भाई, इतने पैसों में कुछ नहीं होने वाला। उसके बावजूद भी आप इसमें, अगर आपको ये दिल देखना चाहिए, आप ये सोच देखना चाहिए कि इतना बड़ा आपको एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिला है। ठीक है, अगर इसके बाद भी आप इंप्रेस नहीं है, आपको तब भी आपको लगता है कि कंपनी कुछ नहीं कर रही है, तो मैम का लास्ट यही था कि आपको कंपनी की तरफ से रिफंड आपके पॉलिसी है, आप रिफंड अप्लाई कर दीजिए, 2-3 वीक के अंदर आपके पास पैसे आ जाएंगे। अब उसके बाद कुछ एंजॉय करना चाहते तो कर लीजिए, क्योंकि यहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे आपको सोच के साथ चलना पड़ेगा, और जो बड़ा बड़ा चीज हो रहा है उसको देखना पड़ेगा। तो रियली हम लोग जो है बहुत ह्यूज बन गए, जब शुरू में बहुत छोटे कंपनी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखा जा रहा था चीजों को, आज सोच धीरे धीरे बहुत बड़ी हो गई है। और एस सर ने तो बहुत बहुत सारा चीज ही बार बार आके चीजों को बताया गया है। तो ये जो है अनलिमिटेड बियॉन्ड इमेजिनेशन, इस कंपनी में अगर आप रहते हैं तो डेफिनेटली आप जो सोच नहीं सकते वो सारा चीज मिलने वाला है। ठीक है, तो मैं इसी के साथ धन्यवाद देता हूँ मैम को, इतना अच्छा आंसर दिया उनने फाउंडर के लिए। और अब फिर मैं मैम से दूसरा एक क्वेश्चन पूछने जा रहा हूँ। हेलो मैम, may I like to ask some questions regarding the guest and the audience who are present in this live show. Any message would you like to give to them?
Thank you. Absolutely. You know, I can speak because I've been with OnPassive for 2 years. At the end of this month, it will be 2 years. And I've seen how the company's grown. I've seen how dedicated the support team are. I've seen the wonderful founders getting excited and knowing, not like wondering if it is going to happen, knowing that this is that one thing that is going to change your life forever. And before, I finish off, I just want to remind you of what Dr. Bill Williams also said, is with OnPassive, because Ashma Farah, okay, let me start with Ashma Farah said, dream big. Then he said, dream bigger, because he was watching certain people getting interviewed and asked, what do you want? And people have got a bit of a poverty mindset where they think that being wealthy is not available to them. I had that same mindset. But the journey with OnPassive and my self-discovery, I realized, you know what? It is available to me. I will receive it. I'm happy to be wealthy, because the more money I have, the more people I can help. And not only that, Ash talks about abundance. I love that word, abundance, excess, overflow, money that is going to come in. What are we going to do with it? That's the money. He's saying, get it into your mind. The money we're going to earn in OnPassive is nothing like we've ever dreamed of. I remember him saying in one of the founders only meeting, he said, think of a number, think of what you would like to earn. And, I thought about in my South African rands, I thought, But he said, dream a little, stretch yourself a little. And I thought, okay, if I could earn $200,000 a month, sure, then I'll be happy. Then he said, double it. I'm like, what? 400,000 rand, sorry, not dollars, 400,000 rand, because I'm talking South African rand. And then he said, double it again. That's 1.2 million rand a month. Like, what? He's talking dollars, okay? Whatever your financial goal is, you will be able to achieve it over time. Which a lot of people will be millionaires already in soft launch or the semi-launch, but you've got to dream a little. And then Dr. Bill Williams, who's one of the top 100 doctors in the world. There's a few of the top 100 doctors in the world within on passive. And he said, are you able to ask your family and friends to drop everything and go on a 6 or 8 week holiday, fly business class, stay in the best hotels in the world, get the best accommodation, fly business class? Are you able to do that? You will as a founder, but are your family and friends in a position to do that? So my plea to everyone is to get your family and friends in to OnPassive so that you can all enjoy these wonderful holidays at the drop of a hat, where you can say, let's go and sail the blue oceans. Let's go on the blue train. We're booking the whole blue train out for all our family and friends. Let's go, whatever your dreams and aspirations are. And along the way, you can help. Where you see a family or child or person in need, you can give, knowing that that is not going to affect you. But it's, I always say, the most selfish, giving is the most selfish thing you can do, because it makes you feel so good. And I want to be the most selfish person. And I'm sure a lot of founders around the world feel that same way, because when you give, it changes you. It makes you a better person. Smile and happy, to give. And you see how happy that person is to receive. So besides the giving, we're also going to be able to enjoy our lives. Why wait for retirement? Do it. Just get in. Get your families in, and all you need is one position per family. And there's a lot of people living in poverty, and I tell them, just get one position, get 5 or 10 of your family members. I know Indians have got big families in Nigeria, the same, South Africa as well. Get one position. Each contribute $10, $15, or $20 towards that one position, and that will be enough to turn your life around and to make sure that your family is wealthy going forward. So that's all I have to say. I can talk about OnPassive day and night. I'm really, really honored. I'm blessed, and I know that God answered my prayer when I was looking for an opportunity where I can finally leave a legacy that I can be proud of. Thank you very much for having me here.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your encouraging words, actually. We, the people of India, will be definitely listen to what you have already given the message. मैं एक्चुअली बोलना चाह रहा हूँ दोस्तों कि OnPassive के बारे में मैम आज नहीं पूरा दिन भर बात कर सकती हैं। OnPassive आपके लिए एक लाइफ चेंजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी है। बहुत शॉर्ट में अगर बोला जाए, ये आपके लिए, आप लेगेसी छोड़ के जा सकते हैं, विरासत बोलते हैं जो, अपने फैमिली के लिए। और आने वाले दिनों में आप बहुत बहुत चीज कर सकते हैं। आपके यहाँ पे, जैसे मैम ने बोला कि इंडिया में भी बहुत बड़े बड़े फैमिली होते हैं, सभी के लिए आईडी लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि आप आने वाले दिनों में A to Z आदमी का भला कर सकते हैं। तो इसीलिए OnPassive का जो पोजीशन है बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, अभी है खुला हुआ। जैसे ही लॉन्च हो जाएगा, फाउंडर पोजीशन बंद हो जाएगी, और केवल $97 में इतना बड़ा चीज मिलने जा रहा है, जो कि कभी किसी ने ऐसा नहीं सोचा, जो कि आपको OnPassive में मिलेगा। तो इसीलिए यहाँ पे चार्ज अप रहिए, और यहाँ पे जस्ट जैसे कि मैंने बोला, गेट इन, यस, कम इन एंड जॉइन अस एज अ फाउंडर। तो डेफिनेटली आपकी लाइफ चेंज होने वाली, ठीक है। तो इसी के साथ मेरा क्वेश्चन का सिलसिला यहीं पे खत्म होता है। मैम का मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दूंगा अभी, और इसी टॉक शो को यहीं पे मैं समाप्त करूँ. हाँ, that's why you have given us such a valuable time. I'm really thankful to you.
Pleasure, Jay, and thank you very much for having me on your show. And it's just, as I said, I can do this all day. But another thing I need to just let everyone know: with OnPassive, you only ever pay twice, ever. So once now to secure your founding member position for $97 or $102 if you're paying by debit or credit card, because there's a $5 admin fee, and then just once more. Because it's a subscription-based business, we come out of pocket once more to activate our accounts as customers and resellers. And when we say customers and resellers, customers, we get to use all the products that they have, whatever is coming in the future as well. We've already got over 50, plus whatever they're designing, and they're always going to be developing and designing new products. So you pay one more time, between $200 and $300. So please remember that when you sign up with OnPassive, you are going to be asked when we launch. And so it's not right now, it's probably in about 2 or 3 months' time, thereabouts, where you would be asked to come out of pocket again of between $200 and $300. I don't think it's going to be as high as $300, probably more around $250, $260, but that's it. And you have a business for life, forever, for your children's children. And what kind of, where could you ever get an opportunity like that to start your own business and know that it's going to run on autopilot, and you can go on holiday or sleep and wake up in 2 years' time and say, oh, I'm rich, without doing anything. It's totally automated. So, geez, it's just incredible. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate being on the show, and I'd love to, touch base again once we in our semi-launch, maybe see how things are going. No, it's fantastic, and I wish you both all the best with your families and your business. It's fantastic. I can't wait to visit you guys in India, because I love curry. I love curry.
Yeah. Definitely, when you visit India, we will give you a taste of curry over here. And my friend is also with me, Mr. Savanan, right in the back office. He also want to thank you for this show, and as you have come here, that's why he also want to thank you. Just if you want to say some few words to Saravanan KL.
No, I'm looking at his name and I'm thinking, am I getting it right? Saravanan. Okay, close enough. Hello.